Welcome back guys, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel. And in this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily delete your Instagram account permanently and temporarily. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is you have to open your Instagram account, and here you see it is open in front of us. So and then click on the profile icon, and after that you need to click on these three parallel lines. Just click on it. After that you have to click on settings. Now you need to click on help, and now you need to click on help center. Just click on it, and here you see this is the option. Now you have a search box. Just click on it and type permanently delete my account, and after that click on the first link, how do I delete my Instagram account. Just click on it, and here you see you have a first option written as temporarily disable your account. Just click on it and follow the instruction to disable it temporarily. And to disable temporarily you need to log in your Instagram on the PC or computer, and after that go to the profile and click on edit profile and scroll down and click on the temporarily disable option, and you are easily disable your account temporarily. So we are going again to the search and type permanently delete account, and here is the first how do I delete my Instagram. Just click on it again, and here you see the scroll down and you will see delete your account button. Just click on it, and after that you will see why do you want to delete your Instagram. You have to select any one reason, and after that you need to give the password of that account, and after that you have to click on that delete blue button. And one more thing you need to notice, that it is written that if you continue to your profile and account details will be deleted on July 3. You wouldn't be visible on Instagram between now and then. If you change your mind, you can log back in before the deletion date and choose to keep your account. So it is mentioned that if you didn't come back on that date, on that date, so this account will be deleted permanently. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.